This is Skyla Taglieri and Shawnee Klotman.
The neurotransmitters land on the dendrites. Positive sodium ions rush into the dendrites. After this, the neuron is depolarized and the neuron is no longer a negative charge. Once the threshold reaches negative 55 millivolts, action potential takes place. If there is not enough positive sodium ions, the threshold will not be reached. Once action potential starts, it cannot be stopped. Sodium ions go into the axon and the potassium comes out. When the sodium goes into the axon, depolarization occurs. Repolarization is the action of potassium ions leaving the axon. The advantage of the myelin sheath speeds the impulse and allows the sodium ions to jump from node to node. This is also called the solitary conduction. Then chemicals are released in the synapse and land on the dendrites of the next neuron. The chemicals can get absorbed by a process called refraction, or an enzyme can destroy them in the synapse. The reabsorbed chemicals can be absorbed by an excitatory neurotransmitter and more sodium channels will be opened. Or they can be absorbed by inhibitory neurotransmitters which do not allow the sodium channels to open. Once the chemicals are released and reabsorbed, the neuron goes through refraction and resets itself in order to continue its process.